Good morning, guys. It is a beautiful, beautiful day here in New Hampshire. So, I took a motorcycle ride with my boy Headless and Jose, and we are here in beautiful New Hampshire. So, yesterday was raining a lot, going all the way up to here, and I didn't get any footage because it was piss pouring rain. It was depressing, and I just wanted to get up here. But today's another day. It's beautiful, beautiful mountain right here. We're in this beautiful Airbnb in Lincoln, New Hampshire. Let's take a little tour real quick. So this is the room I'm in. So it's a 3-bedroom, right? Beautiful. I got my boy Headless's room. Washer dryer. Bathroom, the first bathroom. It's beautiful in here. Nice steps. Yeah, so this is the kitchen. Beautiful kitchen here. Nice dining table. Nice big couches, TV, fireplace. Great. Got another room here. And we got the master bed up here. But Jose and Christy are in there. So yeah, this is a nice, beautiful Airbnb. And this is the best part right here. Nice beautiful mountain. These mountains are right here for skiing. They have a nice map right here for that. And this is what we're looking at right here. Southern Peak, Northern Peak, Loon Peak. All the skiing resorts down here. Definitely have to come up here for skiing. I don't ski. But today we are heading out a little late today because it took a long time to get up here, about 13 hours, because it was raining. We took our time. So today we're starting a little late, get some rest in, but right now we're going to do the Cakamangas Highway and Route 153, then go down to Weirs Beach. Even though it's not bike week, we're going to show my boy Headless Weirs Beach and then enjoy. All right, let's get on the bikes. On this road. It's a pretty I forget. I think it's going to be on the right hand side when we come by it. Just be careful because the entrance there it is. First stop, look at this. This is beautiful. Yeah, all three of them. We stopped at the Rocky Gorge surrounding areas. Let's see what we got here. Hey, yo.
Hey, yo. We're gonna go this one?
Yeah.
Cousins used to love
Yeah, a little.
They are weird looking. No swimming, all right? No swimming.
No swimming.
Jose, keep your shirt. Jose, keep your shirt on.
What? Too dirty.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know that already.
Oh yeah, you can see there's a little bit of a drop here.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
Next to the moose.
Next to the moose.
Well, it won't count.
The moose is loose. Here we go. You guys want to go to the bridge first, or you want to go here?
Rich?
The what? Right here? Yeah.
Yeah, we could have had food.
Yeah, sure. Little camp.
Damn. Look at this. It's nice around here. Let's go. Guys fishing over there. I can seriously listen to this all day. Beautiful. Look at this. This is beautiful, man. Beautiful. You all right?
Yeah, loving it.
beautiful bridge. So we arrived here at Weir's Beach. I think we're a little early, guys, for Laconia Bike Week.
I think we're just in time.
Just in time. Just in time so we don't have to deal with the madness.
Yeah, you wouldn't get this good for
No.
next week.
Yeah.
To be fair, it was really nice to see all the
11?
Yeah.
It was really it was nice to see all different kinds of bikes.
Yeah.
I remember I saw this here, like this freaking Frankenstein of a bike. It had like parts from all different kinds of metric cruisers. It had like I think it was a VTX 1300 bike in its stock form, but it was just the parts were all from different kinds of bikes. Because like it was just like whatever fits, whatever.
Yeah, I know.
Whatever keeps the bike running.
Yep. That's how it is around here.